Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you how to activate a Straight Talk SIM card. First, go to the official Straight Talk website and scroll down to find the Activate SIM option, then click on it. You can also click the Activate button at the top right, both will take you to the same page. Next, select your device. If you have a Straight Talk phone, choose that option. If you're using your own phone and just want to activate a SIM, click Activate. Now choose whether you want a new number or want to keep your existing number. If you're buying a new SIM card, select that option, enter your zip code, and click Continue. On the next page, enter your phone's IMEI number. For iPhone, settings general about. For Android, settings about phone. After entering the IMEI, click Activate with physical SIM. You may then need to purchase a SIM plan, which will be shipped to your home address. Complete the purchase and follow the on-screen instructions to finish activating your Straight Talk SIM card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.